Hello and welcome to the second episode of our backpacking adventure in Greece. These vlogs are going to give you a clear and authentic image of this beautiful country. In this episode we are going to travel to all corners of the island of Santorini, and I hope you guys watch this video entirely because it is packed with lots of breathtaking impressions, funny moments and memorable landscapes. This morning we rented a scooter and decided to ride the entire island, or as much as we can. Of course not all in one day, because we plan to spend 4 days in Santorini. On the way we stopped just to enjoy the views of the old Santorini volcano caldera, after which we kept on moving until we reached the Akrotiri lighthouse in the west of the island. So, my love, how do you find it so far?
It's fucking amazing. It's so beautiful.
It's nicer than we thought it's going to be like.
Yeah, I'm really loving it here. I can't wait to see more of what Greece has to offer. Santorini so far is killing it. Yeah.
That's how far you can go west on the island of Santorini. That's it. Let me show you guys what I see from here. Woo-yee! Ho-ho! That's the edge. That's the edge of the cliff. That's it. Amazing! Oh, what a view! At this point I felt very comfortable riding the scooter. Everything felt right, so we decided to head to the south of the island, spend some time at the beach and get to know Santorini as good as we could. Okay, now it's time to say bye-bye to Santorini camping. We have been here just for 2 nights. The scooter is there. I'm about to head out to visit Oia, another beautiful part or very popular part of Santorini. We are going to now leave the comfort of the camping place and go out there into the wild and see what expects us. are now on the road to the Red Beach, and we have 30% decline here. I have to tap the brakes with the whole force, and the engine is off. It's freaking crazy. And we are just with a 125 cubic centimeters scooter here. But yeah, I guess slowly we can make it. Look at this decline here. Holy shit. Whoo! Look up. I don't know if we can come up again.
I pray.
Wow. Oh my God. I am really praying that the brakes are not going to fail us. Oh my gosh. It's crazy.
Strawberry fantasy. Ooh la la.
Look at the stones, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
They're meant to be stacked.
Ooh.
Ah, that's where we go to the Red Beach. Yeah. Or this is actually the Red Beach, probably.
Basically the same thing.
Yeah, it's basically the same thing. Look, there is a pirate flag up there. We are now at the Red Beach in Greece, in Santorini. And this is what we are seeing. It's looking like as if you are on Martian soil. It's so red, it's really cool. And this is a quiet minute that we have, in which we are updating you what we are doing. So yeah, we are just trying to ride through the island with the scooter as much as possible, see as many places as possible, and make the best out of it. And this is one of them. The end, if I remember properly, and no one is here. Ooh, that's a very rare thing, right?
Yeah. I think we'll have to push it.
But it's so much nicer now, right? So much cooler. We are now in Oya for the second time today. We are coming out for a better session of pictures and for the nightlife, so to say. See what is here going on.
I'm here.
And hopefully I can also fly the drone and have some nice pictures. Let's see. Here is where we spent our first night in the tent on the northeastern coast of the island. The night was extremely windy and the tent was shaking like crazy, but we actually really enjoyed that feeling of adventure and managed to rest well. Real quick guys, there was a guy in the background. I'm not sure if you can still see him. He has like an orange shirt kinda, and he just stopped casually, randomly here. I was just brushing my teeth and he said this, I quote, "Don't pay these motherfuckers, find your own way." I really had to capture this on the video because he saw us here with the backpacks and me brushing my teeth and all this shit. My boo is doing her makeup. So he just said, seriously, yes man, don't pay these motherfuckers, find your own way. And then he really fist bumped me. That's amazing. Fucking love it. Yeah, something like this you get to experience if you are traveling like we do. Just a bit later we were about to start hiking to some attraction, but I wanted to fly the drone a bit around, so have a look at what happened. Yeah, I just crashed my drone. I got really lucky and I managed to find it again totally undamaged. Venturing alone to the top of this hill because I want to find out what is up there. Some stone formations. I don't know, let's see. This is now the chapel. I forgot its name, but Really rad up here. Amazing. It was really worth. Yeah, riding with the scooter through Santorini with 2 heavy backpacks and with my girlfriend. It's not necessarily a comfortable or easy task, but that doesn't freaking matter. Important is the freedom that you have and the time to enjoy the nature and to see so many beautiful places. Every day is packed with adventure and full of memories for later and beautiful experiences. So yep, that's what I'm all about, and my girlfriend too. Slowly I'm arriving at on top of the mountain, exactly where I wanted to be. That is a sign that I arrived at the highest peak. Woo! Yes. This is it. I am here on the maybe 3rd highest or 2nd highest peak in Santorini. This is just amazing. It's amazing, crazy. Look at this. I'm coming from down there, from this chapel, but I had to ride with a scooter here, and then from there I had to go all the way up on the mountain. Yes, I did it! I'm in Greece! This is freaking life, man! This is life! Freedom! Freedom! Yay! We are riding now to the highest point in Santorini! Wow, the road is better than I expected. I can see the airplane. The airplane is landing at a lower altitude than us. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video, and if you did so, I would appreciate if you want to support me by liking the video and subscribing to the channel. Now you can click on the left video to see the first episode of the Backpacking Greece vlog, or click on the right video to watch this other epic adventure. Feel free to comment and share your thoughts with me. Thanks a lot for watching, and as always, see you in the next one. Bye bye.